Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to look at question 30 of Paper 1 SPM Physics 2016. Let's take a look at the question together. Diagram 18 shows water waves propagating from sea to beach. Which characteristics of wave for above situation is correct? Alright, so they're asking for the characteristics of the wave, okay, when it approaches from the sea to the beach. Now, so when we look at from the seabed to the beach, what we notice is that the depth of the sea actually decreases. So that is one feature that we want to focus on. So it goes from deep water to shallow water. Now, so when it comes to water waves, deep and shallow actually modifies a lot of the characteristics of the water wave. So in this case, we are actually looking at speed and wavelength. Now, so speed and wavelength. Now, speed is equated as frequency times the wavelength. Now, the frequency of the water wave is unchanged, okay, because the frequency is only dependent on the source. So the medium that it propagates in is not affected. So you can say that the velocity and the wavelength is directly related. Now, so what you can do is that if you can't actually memorize whether when from deep to shallow water what happens to the wavelengths and the speed, we can actually look at the diagram. What you'll notice that is the wavelength here and the wavelength here. Do you notice that this one is actually longer and this one is actually shorter? So when you approach from deep to shallow water, the wavelength actually decreases. So that's one thing you should know. Now, so from diagram we know that is from the wavelength, it will actually become shorter as it approaches the beach. So the wavelength actually decreases. So what does that do for the speed of water wave? It also decreases. Okay, so now we know the speed and the wavelength actually both decreases as it approaches from the sea to the beach. So here the answer would be D. Thank you for watching.